Welcome to the stock market free strategies. This strategy video is for education purpose and totally free of cost. Disclaimer: trade as per your risk and consult your financial advisor. So let's start with another strategy 9:20 a.m. option selling strategy with OTM hedging for target of 1% ROI every day. Let bullet point to be covered in this video are the steps to be taken and what should we buy. First question is why we are moving from 9:20 ATM strategy to OTM. It is because ATM position required more adjustments and lot of trades are required in fluctuations. Due to that, there are more number of trades and hence we have to pay more brokerages and taxes. Basically, taxes are based on the turnover charges. Sometimes taxes are more than the brokerage on daily basis. To reduce the number of trade and taxes, we are doing OTM hedging with same ROI. People having a myth that OTM hedging gives less returns compared to ATM, but this is wrong perception. So let's start answering the questions. First for OTM selling option, what price we have to take, spot or future? So answer is spot price. So second point is which option to sell. So for the target of 1%, we are going to sell 100 to 150 point away call put from the spot, which has a premium of 50 to 60 on Friday and Monday. For Tuesday to Thursday, premium which nearer to 25 to 30. Or add premium available at the spot for both P and C. So if at spot price, if P and C having a premium of 150. So our position are 300 point away call and put from spot. So we will show you all these things in the Opstra by Opstra simulation. So firstly we will move ahead with other details and what type of adjustments are required, which we will cover with the different cases as per the movement in index. So generally people choose OTM call put with 20 to 30% stop loss on both sided. Market first move in one direction, then stop loss get hit for call side, then you keep holding put side, then V shape or W shape recovery movement happened. It came back and hit the stop loss. So within a half an hour, it hits stop loss for both sides and give huge losses. So setup here is we will explain along with the adjustment so that your stop loss don't get hit and whatever is done by big player is done by you all to gain eventually. So let's discuss now. So what is the setup? We will start with the entry and exit time for this setup. See, the market opens at 9:15. So we will take entry at 9:20 to 9:25 based on the market movement on global market fluctuations. So exit time is 3:15 to 3:20 p.m. based on again the market fluctuation we close it. So what is the SL? Here in this case we are not applying stop loss. So how adjustment will be done? We will be explaining in this in detail. Our SL is overall MTM, which is maximum 1% of the capital for safe traders, which would not never happen if all the adjustments were done correctly. To make it profitable, we are booking the profit every time. Let's work together to make it more profitable. So here is the setup that we have to check the price of spot as the market opens by 9 a.m. And settle by 9:07 in the pre-market. The price while video was made coming out in the range of 720 to 320 or say anything between 280 to 7320. And we had to watch the falling strike prices for options. So if it is 280 to 320, so we are taking 100 point away call put, 150 point, 200 point, and same way 200 point below, 300 point below, 200 point, 300 point, 400 point below. So we are checking that and we will show you in simulation in Opstra. So here firstly we will check it how we have to do the adjustments. Basically in our watch list we are made the watch list 100, 150 and 200 point, and on put side we are adding a more options. So now we have to check at the opening that which call put premium come out to be equal, so that difference should not be more than 10%. If the difference will be more than 10%, then they will not able to help each other equally. So keeping it in mind. Similarly, if market is coming out to be anything between 320 to 230, we will take the 17400 call, means upside 100 point call, and 100 point down put. Or if market is open anyway few point up or down, then our strike price maybe above or below in this way. So our strike price is always 100 to 150 point away from the market. We are never near to ATM. Always we are 100 and 150 point away. And our premium difference is not more than 10%. So during the execution, assume spot price is 17300. So our positions are 17400 call and 17200 put. Please note that premium are always higher on put side than call side. If anyone is checking 100 point difference from spot while entry and find that premium on put position which is 150 point away from the spot and call which is only 100 point away from the spot has equal premium, then we have to take the position based on premium. Either it is 100 point away from put side and 150 point away from put side and 100 point away from call side. Do not blindly take position just 100 or 150 point away from spot in P and C together. Okay. So now we are doing with the cases wise. So after execution of straddle, assuming 17400 call and 7200 put, first case is if Nifty went up by 40, 50 point or even more points, then you should have to check the premium of call and P put. If premium of call comes near to the double of P, means it's near to double but it not more not crossing double, then you have to book the profit of put. Means if market is moving upside, so our put is giving a profit, so we are booking the put profit, and shift to next P strike, it may be 17250 put or 7300 put, which has the same or have 10% difference of premium of 17400 call. So in this case we are shifting the put when market is moving upside. Most of the time for every 50 to 70 point decisively move, means if market is moved up and it is staying at that point, so we will roll over our call or put by 50 points. So either means market is moving upside, then we roll over our put. If market is moving downside, we roll over our call. We will keep our position in a way that if markets fall sudden 50 points, then our position will give maximum profits. So always our position in the way, if market is falling, so it is giving us a more profit. So we will show you everything on Opstra during the falling market and uptrend market. So you do not have to shift the position till premium of one side has decisively crossed 90% and near to 100% to the other side, or say double to other side. So we are shifting the position accordingly. Maybe at 80% also sometime we are shifting, but our main criteria is we have to check that either spot is decisively taking a resistance and at that point then it is moving upward, so we are taking the decision accordingly. I will show in Opstra in that way. Okay. So in this case, while market is moving uptrend, so what is the next? Next, if market further move 50 to 70 point up, firstly we already moved upside, then we have to again shift the put upside, and then what will happen? Here we have a 17400 call, from 7200 put we shifted to 17250 put, then we move to 17350 put, then we may move to 7350 put. This way we are moving, we are not changing the call position. While uptrend movement we are only shifting the put position. So after around 150 point, 130 to 150 point, we are 50 point away from the spot in put side, and maybe we are same at a spot at a call side. So this is our way of moving in this case. So this will happen while movement is completely one-sided. After movement of 150 point one-sided from our start, we have to book both sided, or say close both the position and restart with the another fresh pair 100 to 150 point away. So basically, while market is moving in one-sided, for basically 150 point up, we will always, most of the time, we will close in profit only, and we have to shift to the another positions. So again, we have to follow the same rule of adjustment of shifting position when the premium one-sided decisively cross the 80 to 90% and sometimes 100% also, because when premium was less, we are waiting for a double of the premium. So this is a case when market is completely moving upside. So we have to shift only put, not a call. Once we reach to ATM positions, means our put move to same of the call price, then we will close the position after getting a clear signal in that. So second case, in the case when market reverse after 50 to 70 point movement upside to downside, basically reverse. Firstly it moved up, then it moved down, or say inverted V shape, then what to do? Now we are here elaborating it with index movement. Market started at 7300, moved to 350 to 360, 350 to 60, and we have to already shifted one time from our entry position 7250 to 7250 put and 17400 call we have earlier, and put we shifted to 250 put upside to by booking the profit, because market is moving upside, we have to book the profit in put side. So we have a position of 7250 put and 7400 call based on premium criteria at market is 50 point from the opening upside. Then suddenly market start moving down from 350 to 300 again. Means market moved up, then it is moving down. So we have to shift the call pair to the lower side to 17350 call instead of shifting the put again to the lower level. Basically here is the rule is we have to book the profit side of the call or put side based on the market movement instead of losses side. Most traders book losses at their SL hit on one side and then SL hit on other side. So we are, when market is moving upside, we are booking put. When market start reversing, we are booking call. So maybe after 2-3 ups and down movement, our rule of shifting, we come to the ATM positions. In that case, after stabilization of market at some level, we will close all the position and start with the fresh 100 to 150 point away positions. So this is the case of reversal, means market trending then reversing. So second case is when market, second case already done, so we move to the third case. So if market move down by 40 to 50 point or more point in downside, so at an initial, then you have to, same as the rule of call, we have a case 1, we have to check the premium of call put. If the premium of put comes nearer to double of call, so premium of call put is increasing and call is decreasing, then we have to book the profit of call and shift to the another strike price of call lower side to 7350 or 7300, which has a same or 10% difference of premium of 17200 put. So during this all the movement, we are checking two criteria. One, we need a 50 to 70 point move upside. Second is a premium. Premium should be near to 90% or near to double, then only we are shifting the positions. So if one is meeting and we are thinking it will decisively move in one-sided movement, so we will adjust the position accordingly. So we will do it in a simulation in Opstra in for some days. So you have not to shift the position till the premium of one side decisively cross to the double of other side or 90% of other side. As we are at a OTM position and we have a sufficient time to shift the position, because as compared to ATM and ITM position I said earlier, because ATM ITM we have to shift immediately. One market moving down, we are shifting the position, then market moving up, then again we are shifting the position. Most of the time we are shifting the position, market stay at that places, and we are paying a more brokerages and more taxes. So do not change position in hurry here, because we are OTM position. Market is always stabilizing and giving 2 to 5 minutes after 50 to 17 point sharp on one side. It is never moved 200 300 point in one shot. It moved 50 to 70 point, then there may be some support resistance, then it will take that, and then again it is falling in trending market or moving upside. So this is the third case. So here again same, market is moving further. If market further move down, so after 50 to 70 point our position become ATM, because our put side is fixed and we are moving the call side at 150 point approximate from our start. Market is moving one downside, and we have a now ATM positions, and after some stabilization we will close all the positions, and we will make a fresh start with 100 to 150 point away positions, and using the same rule of adjustments. So in case 4, if that is again a reversal case of V-shaped recovery, market is moved down 50 to 70 point down, then it do a V-shaped recovery. So how, as per the index, market started at 300, it moved down to 240 to 250, means 50-60 point. We have shifted our call downside one time from our entry position, then market start moving upside, then we have to book the profit of P side, P pair. So same way as the call case, market is upside or downside, we have to book the profit side every time based on the market movement instead of loss sided. So this is all things are there. So here, as per the, it is very easy to shift the position compared to ATM. We will easily reach 1% target sometime. So basically if you are booking the profit, then you will stay more in the market for a longer time period as compared to booking losses. So this is a emotional things basically. If we get a target of 1%, then book the position, enjoy for the day. Sometimes we will achieve this by 11 or 12 a.m. only. Do not wait for longer. You may stay for 1.5% with SL of 1% per day profit, and it is the maximum target of the day. So you will get a maximum 2% on some day, but not every day. For only reward of 0.5%, means 1.5 to 2% or 1 to 1.5%, there may be chances to lose all the 1% also in any big movement in any direction. Premium erosion is fixed every day. You watch our video, another video of a premium, when to trade ITM, OTM position, and we have given the detail of premium erosion per day. So never try this in next week or monthly expiry. This is a big rule here. So margin requirement for one lot of sell, ATM, call, put is 1,25,000, but and our target is to book a 10 to 15 point premium erosion per day. So to reduce the margin, we are buying 400 point away call put and making the straddle to iron condor. Then margin required will be reduced to 52,000 to 60,000 based upon the VIX. So it is not more than that. So our target is to 10 to 15 point premium erosion per day. Result is 1.4 to 1.6, but I am mostly closing after 1% or 1.2% and enjoying the profit. So now we are moving to the other details like Opstra. Firstly, we will open the another window. So now I am moving to the trading view. So here I am checking here on 22nd of November, the open price and close price you see here. On that day, market moved, you see here, market moved around 400 points. मतलब lowest price is 280 and highest price is 805. You see here. So we will capture this day. Then this is a basically a downward trend movement. This is next day is a uptrend movement from 216 lowest price to 553. You see, watch here. So we will cover the 22nd, 23rd November. This is a downtrend. This is uptrend. Then again 26th November, where market moved from 17355 to 16985. So this is again a more than 350 point movement on downside. Then we will check the 6th December, again one round. I am choosing 3 downtrend and 1 uptrend so that you will check everything here where market is moving in one direction only. So in some other days we will check on later days. So I am moving to the Opstra now. With the we need a 22nd of November. So now moving to Opstra. Opstra. So one of the user given this his own ID paid subscription to check it. Yesterday only I have learned this how to simulate the options. So I am doing it in a slower way because I am not too much aware about this. So I have to move this to 22nd of November. Okay. So I have to check that 22nd November. 22nd, yes. This is a okay. How to I think this is okay now. So 22nd, the spot price at open at a 17,698. Okay. So what we have to do, starting price at 920 is 17,698. So we have to choose a year expiry 25 no 25 number. Okay. Okay. So what is first is market is opening at a 17,698 means 17,700. It is okay. I'm checking in website. Market open is 17,700 open. Okay. So what we will do here, we will check the spot price at 17,700. We are moving to Opstra 17,700, 17,700. So this is 17,700. So what we have to do, we have to sum up the premium of spot price. It's 142 and 123. It's around 265. Basically, we have now what position we have to take. This is a very good criteria to choose, or otherwise is uh, point wise means 200 point or 300 points. So our premium requirement is on put side I am checking a 50 to 60 point selling one lot, because here premium of put is 53. So we will choose the premium of call is above than the put price always. Call price is always more than the put price. So we have sell two options, and what is the criteria of buying? We are always buying a for iron condor to reduce the leverage. We are buying a options with having a 5 rupees premium. So on call side and on put side. Okay. So I added this. So now I am moving upside. I am not checking any wicks, not checking anything. So now I am moving here. I am moving it to P and L. So here we have options 17400, so 450 put, 17850 call. Market is at a 17700, and these are two bought positions we have. So now we are moving with the 5 minutes. So our criteria is, here we need a 10 to 15 points, means one lot is 50. So if we got a 500 to 600 point profit, we will book the profit. So I am now starting moving the options. So you see here, from 96980, within 5 minutes market moved down by 60 points. But here our premium of call and put are almost same. So we have no issue. We will keep it. And we are checking here, either market decisively broking this level or it will reverse from here. As our premium are supporting to us. If premium is going to become double on one side, or there is a mismanagement in this, then we have to look into that part. So next 5 minutes. So market, you see here, market reverse here. Maybe it will again broke down because on that day market went down. So next 5 minutes we got a 400 point. Market is at a same levels. So our premium are same here, so we have no issue. So premium are same here, market is moving same place for some time, and we got our target. You see on 22nd of November, I am showing the same to you. The market is trending on that day. So on that day we made a good profit here. So now we are moving to the 23rd of November. Okay. So we booked the profit here. Our target of 1% done. Then we are moving to the away position for more profit. But most of the time I am booking the profit. So that is the first case. So now we are moving to the 26th of November for our 1% target. 26th November. So I have to move to this to next default something. It's 22nd December. So spot at 17305. Okay. So we have to go to 17300. It's 165 and 135 is around 300. And we move to a 300 point away from the spot. So it's a 1700. So like we will sell this put 51 rupees. We will sell call, always having a higher premium, as I said. So buy 5 rupees call and 5 rupees put for the leverage purpose. Our target to capture 10 points, which is our 1% target. Buy 1% target. So my target is 1% always. So premium erosion is always near to 1%. Someday you will get more, but it will be a risky on the risk reward ratio. So I am moving PNL. Here we will get the option here. So first 5 minutes market moved. So we have a loss, but our premium are same and market is not moving at all. So sometime entry point issue. So again it is, market is moving down now. So then market move down. So our premium are equal, market at the same level. It is giving a good benefit to us. So market at the same level within 940. Now 940 after 20 minutes. So it's around our 1% target. Market is moving upside. Wow, we got a 1% target on 26th of November within 40 minutes. So this is a good day for us. So now we are moving to the 6th December. 6th December. 6 December. I have to move to this to first to last. Pay off. Now this to 6 December. 6 December. This is expiry coming down 9 December. Okay. So again we have a same rule. Spot at 17,173. So basically it's a 17,150 or 7,200. But 73 is a, we will take a 7,200. So it's 134 and 154. It's again 280 points, 290 points. So our is 300 point away, 300 point down. So 7,200, 300 is 900. We are getting a good premium here. We are selling put 60 points. Here 60 point if we are selling, so we have to sell a more in call side always. And we have to buy 5 rupees call and put. 5 rupees call, buy. Then we have to buy 5 rupees put to get the leverage. So this is our now options. What we have taken, market at 17,173. Our put is 16,900 and call is 17,350 call, which is almost 300 point down in put side and 150 to 200 point on call side. So we are getting a very good premium here. So we are moving. So starting our premium is equal. So spot is moving down. So our premium are equal again. So no issue with us. So now market moved 60 point down. And our premium are again giving us a benefit. So we will see here either market decisively at same point, or if it is breaking down again, means sometime from here it will be reversing. And but here premium, what we have to change? We have to look for the premium only. So if we are getting a same way, we will look for another 5 minutes. So you see here market came down and we got a profit, but we have to now shift the position because already market came 100 point down. So we have to book the call premium here. Because of a 1% target not yet meet, I have to book the call position at 49.9. It booked or not? It booked. Yes, booked. So now we have to add a call with having a more than 68 rupees premium. So we have to move to call 68, it's a 60, so we have to move to 84. We move to same also, 64, 65 is okay, so we are not going beyond that. Same and more is good always. And now we are again shifting the position. So now we have a same put and we shifted the call below side. Basically 50 point call move downward. Now I am moving. What happened here? So overall profit gone. Now we have a premium equal. We have a maybe some obstacle issue because premium again we got a profit here. So market is not moving but there is a too much fluctuation here. So we got a target. We got a target of 1%. I am moving backward. What happened here? And what is the strike price difference? Why it happened here? From here we have a profit. Market moved and reversed from here. Suddenly the call premium is increasing, but we have a equal premium, so we have no worry. Even market moved only 30 points. So now market moved upside we have to check either it is staying here or not. Maybe market reverse, I told you na, reversing. And we have a same premium 75 and 77 and 55, so it's not near to double even. So you see here after that market reversed downward, and when it reversed it given a 1% target. So we have to check decisively either market is breaking that level or not. Either these premium are breaking or moving the double or not. Unnecessarily we have not to shift the positions, and our target is 1%. So we have checked here 3 days, and rest of the days if you required we will try on Opstra in another video, otherwise this video become too longer. Okay, thank you everyone. So now one more point is I will make a currency video, and we will make more videos as per the requirement of members, and kindly follow and subscribe our YouTube channel and Telegram channel for our live strategies and videos. Our service is totally free. Thank you everyone.